Hello, driving intelligence community. A new day, a new cabin air filter. Seems like everybody wants to get it changed after seeing the Honda Fit with a chipmunk family hiding inside the engine. This one seems to be a little easier than the rest. The first thing we got to do is disconnect this this mechanism here, which slows the opening of the door. There's a tab here that you have to push forward and pull out, and that allows you to the glove box and drop it by pushing the sides in. And then I break it. No, it's not broken. And then you'll see the cabin air filter. I've already taken this cover off, but it's hidden up here behind the glove box insert. So we're going to see if we can get this thing out and replace the filter. So from my perspective, it looks like I can't get this door for the cabin air filter completely out because the insert of the glove box is in the way. But this is a separate unit from the rest of the glove box. I took this trim piece off here. Now I'm going to have to take these two bolts off, and this thing should just pop right out and give me complete and clear access to that cabin filter. Alright, so I got this insert out. It's there's one electrical connection, but we're not going to disconnect that because I've got clear access now to the cabin filter. But it's two screws and a bunch of push pins. Easy peasy, over-engineer easied. What's interesting to note on this F150, this is a 2019 F150, 2018 F150. The design of the glove box door is similar to the Explorer I just recently worked on. These pins, if you want to remove the door, you pull the pins out, inboard of the door on both sides in this direction, and then you can pull the door out easily. And it looks like this is probably a little bit better design. When I feel underneath there, it doesn't look like it has the tabs, but that's how you would pull the door off if you want to get the door off for some reason. Okay, new filters in, wasn't too bad, definitely needed to be changed. Make sure you notice the airflow direction in this vehicle, it's down. And now all I gotta do is reassemble as it was disassembled.